Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about Tagged App, and I'm going to show you that how I got this mod which gave me unlimited gold, and I'm going to show you step by step that how you can do it also you and get the same amount as me. So the mod works for the both devices, guys. I already tested on my both devices, on my iPhone and my Samsung, which is an Android. Today I'm going to show you the steps with my iPhone, but practically the same steps are working also for the Android device. So if you want me to make a tutorial for the Android, if you have any problem or difficulties or whatever, just let me know in the comments below, guys. I'm gonna make a tutorial also with Android, but as I mentioned before, the steps are the same, so I presume you're not gonna have any problem. But anyway, if you want me to, I'll do it. So let's get back to the topic. I'm just going to open the app real quick so you can see it by yourself what I'm talking about, and then I'm going to show you that how you can do it also you guys. Okay, so I'll just go to my profile over here and then press the gold, and as you can see right over here, guys, this is what I got. All right, so now I'm going to show you that how you can do it also you. So before we start the loading process of this mod, guys, you need to make some changes in the settings if you didn't do it before, which it means you go to the settings, press general, and then scroll it down, background up refresh, background up refresh. Make sure you're gonna select Wi-Fi and mobile data, guys. This is important because it's going to help the loading process doesn't interrupt and doesn't make any problem. So then you need to get back, and then scroll it down. If you are using lower power mode, guys, to the battery, you just need to go to the battery and switch it off before you start the loading process of this mod. So after you finish the whole process and you get the gold, you can turn it on again, lower power mode, if you like to have it active. So guys, these steps that I already show you now, they are only for the iOS devices. For the Android users, there is no need to make any changes in the settings. All you have to do, you need to go straight to your internet browser. Also now for the iOS users, you have to go to internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser you prefer, and you need to type this website, which I'm going to show you guys right now. So this is the name of the website. You just need to enter on it. You're gonna face, as you can see, different categories over here. We're looking for a mod practically. So you're just gonna press mods and scroll it, or easy way, search in the searching bar, tagged, and here it will come. Press in the right side the button, and as you can see, you have the information right over here. The last update was done in 12 March. Just press the download sign. It will start the loading process of the mod. In the end of this process, you're gonna be able to install the mod and start to generate the coins on your app same as I did it. Depends on the region where you are, guys. It might require an extra step or something. You just need to follow what is required, and you're gonna be able to get the gold same as me. So this is my video tutorial for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers.